Last question po.
How's the water quality around the landfill?
The sampling results were not good, which is why they were issued a notice of violation in terms of violation of the Clean Water Act. So,
Secretary, can you expound that good? What does it mean?
mataas ang readings of certain parameters. So, the operator, I was told, submitted a position paper after the notice of violation, which is being evaluated now.
Yung meron ba ang marine life na-check na ba kung naka-apekto sa kanila yung leakage mula sa
Well,
landfill?
I'll have to check on that. Para but siyempre pagka hindi maganda yung water quality, consequently hindi maganda for marine life.
So have you coordinated with BFAR?
Yes, the regional office of EMB has been coordinating with BFAR.
What's the initial
I don't have the report of BFAR with us. Yeah.
Thank you,
May
sir.
question lang.